So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to update the drivers, and you know that the very simple method is you just have to go here this PC and go to properties. Now from here on the right side you have to click on device manager, and from here you have to, this is the device manager, and from here you have to update the display adapters, which is very important. From here you have to update the drivers by clicking over here. Now go for search automatically for drivers, and as you can see that we are on the latest version, so I have updated already. So once after that you have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to update the windows. Okay, you have to update the windows. So to do this, just have to click on start and go to settings. Now from here you have to click on update and security and update the windows. This is what you have to do. And as you can see that I am on the latest version, so there is also no issue. Once after that you have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is all about you have to make sure yourself that no big things are running in the background. So you have to go here in the bottom over here and right click and go to task manager. From here you have to check whether your the PC is consuming a lot, right? So if anything is consuming a lot, you have to right click and go for end task, and this is what you have to do. Moving on to the fourth solution is all about what you have to do is just have to disable Windows Firewall. So in order to do this, you just have to go here and you have to search for Windows Defender Firewall, and this is how it thinks. And now from here you have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off on the left side, and from here you have to click on both the things, on the private network settings as well as the public network settings. You have to disable, click on both these, and you have to go for OK. This is what you have to do. Now close this up, and this is the step. And apart from that we have few more, that is you have to, even after trying this, you have to reinstall the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then what you have to do is just have to go here to the settings once again, and you just have to click on start and go to settings. Now from here go to apps, and from here what you have to do is just scroll down a little bit, and from here what you have to do is just have to navigate to Microsoft Store. As you can see that you have to select and click on advanced option, and from here you have to scroll down and you have to click on reset option over here and go for reset. Okay, this is what you have to do. Click on reset, and what happens is most probably this will work out, and see whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then the last solution is just do a force restart and see whether the issue is solved or not. But these are the basic steps which you have to try when you are having an issue on game, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.